Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a project manager or anyone dealing with Jira boards, you know how handy it is to export your data to Excel for deeper analysis, reporting, or sharing. In this video, we'll walk through the step-by-step process to export your Jira board to Excel in 2025. It's quicker and more straightforward than you might think, with some new features that make it even easier. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira account. If you don't have one, sign up quickly. It's free for basic use. Once you're in, navigate to the board you want to export. This could be your Kanban or Scrum board. Just click on Boards in the left sidebar and select the one you're working with. Next, look for the More menu on your board page. It's usually a three-dot icon in the top right corner. Click on that, and you'll see an option for Export. Select it, and a dialog box will pop up. Here, choose the export format. For Excel compatibility, go with CSV or Excel directly if it's available in your version. Jira in 2025 has improved this with better filtering options, so you can select specific columns like issue summaries, statuses, or assignees to keep your export clean and relevant. After selecting your preferences, hit Export or Download. The file will save to your computer, usually as a .csv or XLSX file. Now, open Excel and import the file. If it's a CSV, Excel might prompt you to confirm the data format. Just ensure it imports correctly to avoid any formatting issues. One quick tip. If your board has a lot of issues, consider filtering first in Jira to export only what you need, as large exports can sometimes be overwhelming. Also, double-check for any permissions. Admins might need to grant export rights. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Jira board to Excel. This method works across most Jira versions in 2025, but always keep your software updated for the latest features. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.